Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. We are Shivi and Saket and we are on a once in a lifetime adventure driving over 5000 kilometers across Norway to reach the northernmost point, Nordkapp. Welcome to day 3 of our road trip series. Today we crossed the iconic Arctic Circle Center, then came our longest drive through snowy fjords, stunning landscapes and charming towns like Påske and Narvik. After hours on the road, we finally reached Treewaten, a peaceful Arctic village, and ended the day under magical northern skies. So hit that subscribe button and join our Arctic adventure. Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to the day 3 of our road trip. So today morning we got up early and we packed our car and we have already started on the way because as I told you yesterday that it's gonna be a long day, so we have to do a long drive today. So we are on our way. The weather is not looking nice, but we are hoping that it will get clear soon. But yeah, it's not that bad. Like we are able to see everything, and there are little. The rain has stopped now, but when we started, it was little bit raining. But the rain has stopped now, so we are hoping that it will be good soon. And we'll keep you updated on our next destination. And probably after our next destination, we'll also stop somewhere for breakfast and charging our car. So we'll show you the locations in a bit. But yeah, stay tuned and keep following our journey and see where we reach today. We made it to the Arctic Circle Center. After hours of driving through icy roads and snowy landscapes, we finally reached one of the most iconic stops on our journey, the Arctic Circle Center. Located on the edge of the polar region, this spot marks our official entry into the Arctic and it truly felt surreal. From the views to the vibe, this was a big milestone in our Norway road trip. We are officially in Arctic Circle now. We just crossed the Arctic Center and we drove past it, and now we are 30 kilometers away from it. We did stop for a few minutes over there, but since it's still not summer, the Arctic Center is closed. So we took some pictures, some videos over there, and then we drove past it and we came here. This is like the Nordland Park Center where there are lots of charging stations, and there is one shop and cafe also where we bought something. And then here we are gonna have our breakfast. We actually prepared something for our breakfast, so we'll eat while our car gets charged up. And once our breakfast is done and we get enough battery, so we'll start our road trip again and we're gonna show you the views along the way. And then let's see where we will stop next. So if you are doing a road trip, you can mark these spots like for your you can stop at these stops because like the whole drive you won't find multiple places to stop, so these are like the nice places where you can stop, take rest and eat something probably. So yeah, see you on the other side when we reach and take another stop. So we have arrived in Påske. You can see the view, like it's mesmerizing. It's very beautiful over here. We have just parked our car to get it fast charged because at the earlier spot the charging was very slow, so we didn't do the full charge. So here we have parked our car for the charging, and now we are exploring the area and it's really beautiful. The weather is very nice. I'm loving this weather. If you are coming on this trip, you can take a pit stop in this location as well. It's very beautiful, and the car parking charger is just in front of the view, so you don't have to walk too much or you don't have to go somewhere else to explore these views. So yeah, this can be one of your stop in your journey. We'll mention all the points in the description so you can check out later as well. So yeah, and after I think our car is now fully charged, so we'll start towards our destination for the today and keep you posted. So on our way to northern Norway, we have to catch this ferry. We are right now in Bognes and we are driving into the car ferry so that we can reach the other side and continue our road trip. So you guys will be seeing how the car ferry works. look at the view. First, just look at the view. Like, this place is so mesmerizing, and like this is Narvik, where we are standing right now. So it's a Battle of Narvik place where there is a monument for the soldiers, and that monument is on that side. And we have just parked our car because it's a parking spot here, and then we have parked our car and we are just enjoying the view here. The weather is nice, but it's a bit windy, as you can see. My hairs are flying away, but yes, just look at the view. Like, it's so beautiful. All the snow-capped mountains are there, and the water is so blue. Like, we are totally loving it here. We are gonna spend some more time here before heading out or heading again towards our final destination or towards the destination for tonight, and we'll keep you updated. We have arrived in She Bottom, which is our place for tonight, and here we have booked a cabin in the camping site. This cabin I like to show you guys. Like, this cabin is really awesome. Like, he also gave us a free upgrade because like it's off season, and not many people are here, but still this is like a very nice cabin. And the price that we paid for it, because we only paid around 500 crowns, and you can see like how much spacious this house is. And we have like 3 rooms with beds in it, and spacious washroom, and then nice kitchen, and every amenity that we want for tonight. So there is everything. So I'll just show you guys the whole cabin. See, as we enter, there is this small living room where we also have the dining table, and then there is a kitchen. We also have a microwave, and then this is one room with a single bed, and then that's the washroom, and then that's the main room with 2 beds. And then I also got this another room. So there are 2 more beds over here, and there is so nice view outside from here. Like, you can see the car is parked right in front of our cabin. So yeah, we ended the night under the magical northern lights. What a dream come true. It's been a long day, but we made it through. Tomorrow is the big one. We finally reached North Cape, even with all the snowfall and crazy weather. See you then for the most epic part of our journey. If you enjoyed the journey, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Tomorrow we are heading even deeper into Arctic, and trust me, it only gets more magical.